Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from a group of 8 whose members are Dimas Putra from the Railway Study Program Class 4D and my friend.
My name is Viko Andika Putra. You can call me Viko. I'm from the Railway Study Program and from class 4D.
My name is Nevi Afif Sujajana. I'm from Madiun State Polytechnic and the 4D class railway study the program.
Okay, thank you. Here we will explain the simulation of propulsion motor speed control. In Proteus, we have created a DC motor control simulation circuit using high input. To install the input pins, we use pin A0 for push button 1 and A1 for push button 2, which are give a 1000 resistor. As for the output pin 30 is connected to a resistor and transistor. The collector leg is connected to the positive battery, while the emitter is connected to the relay coil. Sorry. The negative battery is connected to a switch and LED, which is give a resistor. Here we use a 12-volt relay connected to a DC motor. After the series is complete, my friend Vico will explain coding next.
Define pin 1, 12. Define pin 2, 13. Define saklar 1, A0. Define saklar 2, A1. The pin explain the definition of what you use as input and output. And void setup. Void setup is the setup of input and reading the pins that are read. This is a void setup. Pin mode pin 1 is output. Pin mode pin 2 is the output. Pin mode saklar 1 is the input. Pin mode saklar 2 is input. Okay, next. Void loop. Void loop is the loop program is a process and reads the program input and output in the reads. If the digital read saklar 1 is 0 and digital read saklar 2 is 0. 0 is the low and 1 is the high. Digital word pin 1 is low, digital word pin 2 low. Else if digital read saklar 1 output 1 is the high and digital read saklar 2 the output is high and CW. Digital word pin 1 is high and digital read spin 2 is low. Is F digital read saklar 1 output is high or 1 and digital read saklar 2 is the 0 or low and CCV. And digital read spin 1 is low, digital read spin 2 high, and terus F digital read saklar 1 is 0 or low and digital read saklar 2 and 1 or high, and digital pin 1 is low, digital read spin 2 and slow. Okay, after that we select the Arduino Uno on the board. Okay, and then compile, upload the program. Okay, finish, and the copying this part into Proteus. And my friend Dimas in they explain the Proteus.
Okay, thank you. Next, after the coding results are complete, we input the coding result into Arduino. Inputan. Ko Viko inputan ko.
Okay,
Then we run them according to the coding command. If PP1 and PP2 are not pressed, then the switch is open and the motor does not rotation.
okay,
If if PP1 is pressed and PP2 is not pressed, then the switch is open and the motor rotates CCV.
okay,
Meanwhile, if on the contrary PP1 is not pressed and PP2 is pressed, then the switch will open and the motor will rotate CCV. Finally, if PP1 and PP2 are pressed, then the switch will close and the motor will rotate CV. Okay. After the simulation result in Proteus, then we make a graph in Excel and my friend Nevi will explain it.
Okay. Next is the explanation of the high and low grab and a DC motor as follows. Input switch when press button when on and off, leading to A0 and press button to clockwise and anti-clockwise. At the input of switch on 1, the low value is 2 minutes and the high is 4 minutes. And at the input of switch 2, the low value is 2 minutes and the high is 2 minutes and the low value is again 2 minutes. Then the output is clockwise. The low value is 2 minutes and the high is 2 minutes and low for 2 minutes. And output counterclockwise, low value for 4 minutes and high for 2 minutes. That's all for the presentation for your group. Thank you.